Hi friends, so welcome back everyone to my channel Any Trader Can Fly, and today the 12th of March I'll just take you through my trade, and this is how Bank Nifty moved today. You can see one more day of I can say a beast kind of movement. It's gearing up for the beast movie which is releasing tomorrow. So you can see the way it was like continuously it kept on changing the direction. It was not at all steady. You can see initially it went up, again came down, again it went up, again it came down, again top down, again it tried to break my range. This was a range for my day, for the day for me. It tried to break the range, it tried to come back again twice it went up, again it came back. I became neutral here, but then once when I became neutral here, it just spiked off. You can see continuously 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 candles, continuous 10 candles. So it means almost 3 into 10 30 minutes it has continuously gone up. I can see almost 375 to almost 750, so almost 400 points movement within 30 minutes, and then it took me suddenly for a surprise. I did my adjustment, but still I tried to come out with a small profit for today, but this was not expected on the last day before the expiry. Tomorrow being expiry, we always expect today to give very good profits, but unfortunately it did not happen. So let me take you through the video. I'll just show you today's trade. So it was a gap down opening, and due to the global cues, there was a gap down opening, and then let me just take you through the open interest and show you where exactly the open interest are, which indicates the resistance and support. So you can see at 37,500 and 37,400 there are two big towers of call option, call writing happening. So this is going to be an excellent area of resistance happening. Okay, so it is easily identifiable. So I am just marking my line at 37,500. So this is going to be the area which we are going to have the breakout. So the positions which I have already taken, 37,800 call and 37,000 put. The premiums are close to 100 each. Yeah. Okay, so let me just show you the bottom part as well. See what happens is in the bottom part, the highest strike is at 37,400 itself. You can see the biggest green tower is at 37,400, but then 37,400 is a present level where Bank Nifty is trading as of now. You can see it's already trading at 37,400. So then next available option is at 37,300. I can also keep the low of the day, but it's fine. We are still at Wednesday, so I'm just keeping at 37,300, and this is going to be the range at which I'll be executing my trade. So once if the range breaks, I'll accordingly change my direction. Okay, so now this is what I was talking about, friends. You can see a very good bounce back from this area. So correctly we had marked the support area over here, and you can see correctly Bank Nifty has reversed from this level. So I did not do any adjustment still because I was just waiting for it to crack down and go down. So we are at a decent profit as of now, and upper side as well you can see one more crackdown happening. Okay, so you can see super trend has changed, it has given a bullish view. So I did a small modification, I'll just show you, but then you can see the upper range how it has correctly gone and come back. So this is the power of open interest. You have to study about open interest. At least you need to find out the range for the day you can make use of open interest. And also let me tell you, many people trade open interest and they find out the direction of market as well. So that is all very complicated. Even I have not got to such a level. It's a continuous learning, and I need to learn more about open interest. I was a technical indicator, technical trade analysis trader. Now I moved on to open interest as well. So slowly I'll also keep updating myself. I'll teach you as well. So this is beautifully we found the range for today. You can see at this range also it has bounced, and this range also it has bounced. Now coming to my positions, I can see the super trend with 10,3 giving a bullish view. So then I had to make a small adjustments. I'm talking about this particular candle where there are sudden two big spikes, and then I had to do the adjustment as well. I entered my entire positions also, and then you can see that the call side I am on lesser than the put side. So thereby I am bullish. It was only because of the change in the super trend. So only just one leg, small leg only have reduced the quantity. So once if this point breaks either up or down, then I can accordingly reduce my positions and make it completely direction. Okay, so this is the game plan for today. So now you can see Bank Nifty has just maintained the range. You can see once again it has come and touched this level, and it has tried to reverse back from the same level which we have marked. It's like as if we have marked and Bank Nifty is following us. So the positions are still the same. I have not made any adjustments. I'm just seeing if at all if any requirement is there. But as of now you can see time is around 11:10 and still Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. So it's correctly moving in the range which we have marked, and that's the beauty of open interest. Okay, still continuing the same position due to theta decay, we can see we almost 22,000 profit is there. Okay, so now time friends 12 o'clock, and you can see the movement has started. Bank Nifty has crossed the upper band and it has started to move up. Now we have to be cautious. We just have to make sure that we are bullish from this point of view. So accordingly, you can see I have reduced considerable quantity of call, almost 1:2 ratio I have kept put on the higher side, and call is only 900 quantities which I am having. So if the market continues to go from here, I will be in good profit. And then you might ask me, why is it I am still holding 900? I think I already told you, I always play safely. It's not the profit which is important. I want a smooth equity curve, so I am trying to maintain the hedge as well, because in case if there's any reversal or something. Okay, now you can see 145, exactly this is what I was talking about. Although Bank Nifty tried to jump out, it tried to go out, it has come back now. I tried to go twice, you can see here, but then again it has come down, and the super trend also has changed. So now you know that the reason why I have kept a call still in my positions, because anytime Bank Nifty can reverse like this. So now you can see I have come back to a neutral position once again. 2250 quantity of put and 2250 quantity of call, both adding together, and I am once again come into a neutral position because it has come back into our range. So now this is where many of them got panicked. Many of the non-directional traders would have lost big money here, and since I play the directional analysis as well, I could manage a bit. So close to 2 o'clock you can see the breakout happening, and then Bank Nifty, I think there was some big news or something. Even the US market also suddenly even the Western countries market also was suddenly going up. So you can see now I am completely bullish. I am naked, fully bullish. There is no call option hedge I have kept. Completely bullish, because it was enough for me to prove, this big candle was enough for me to prove that yes, Bank Nifty is going to have a good breakout from here. Okay, so it has continued to go up, and you can see we are slowly increasing our profits, and so it is again once again breaking the zone and going. So I added one more leg of put option. So you can see that I've added one more put option, and profits are around 40,000 as of now. Okay, so friends, now time is around 3 o'clock, end of the day. Bank Nifty tried going out. It touched almost 37,900. I was expecting it to reach at least 38,000, but then it reversed from here. Due to this reversal, I had to give back a little bit of profit, but it's fine. Part and parcel of trading. So this reversal, I had to give back a bit of my profit, and I closed my entire positions as well. So you can see that I booked a profit of around 32,000 for today. I went up almost till 55,000. It had gone profit. From there, the reversal made me come back, and then I had to lose that profit. It's okay, it's part and parcel. So all eyes on tomorrow's expiry. If any doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.